Okay, so this says 2.8 miles. So we'll see how this trail does. Never been along here, running or anything, so this is an exploration. I have no idea what we're going to encounter. Passable so far. I think this is what they call a single trail. Okay, that's what I needed on the other one. Away past that steep branch route. Maybe there was. Oh, these are all stinging nettles, except they're not stinging nettles. They're sweet nettles, so that's a good thing about America. Of course, we have nasty poisonous snakes to make up for it instead. All right. Well, this is indeed interesting. Look at this. Guy's up there mowing his backyard. We're rolling along this trail. Oop. There we go. Oh, how nice is that? Right, taking some of the sun. Move my arms up. Go on the grass for a bit. Relaxation. Wow. I have just discovered something today. This trail is pretty magic. Alright. Fancy this. Ooh. That's an interesting bird of prey. Just sort of fly off there. Probably a red-shinned hawk from the size of him. Okay. Wow. This is quite interesting. I never knew this was here. I've seen a lot of people on mountain bikes on either end of this trail. Never realised what it does. And I've never had the bike to use to go on it to find out. So this just rolls pretty easily. Yeah. A little bit more challenging through here. Oh, a lot more challenging through here. Yeah. That's going to be interesting on the way back. And oh, huh. Well, never done that before. Okay, what have we got here? Holy heck! I'm probably going to fall. Oh, no, I'm not. Oh, this is super interesting. Okay, up. And then, oh dear, that's going to be very challenging on the way back. Then around here. And then up. Oh, okay. It's not quite as steep as I thought. I thought I was going right there. Oop. There we go. Thank you, tree trunk. Get back in. Yeah, I didn't quite turn the wheel quick enough there. But that's okay. I didn't fall off. Balanced on the tree trunk. Right. Well, I'm going to switch off for a second Oh, now we get to go through a stream. That's the first. And then up this bit. Wow. This trail is coming out by an old mill, actually. These streams a couple of hundred years ago were all dammed and driving water mills. We really are running along the stream bed. Oh, now you get a close-up of those water plants that I've been talking about. And down through this piece, I think we'll probably be coming out at Huntmaster shortly, and that's why I'm going to turn back. And it does carry on. I know it goes all the way on over. Whoa. There we go. I'm going to get my buddy Serge down on this with his bike, and a couple more of my mountain bike buddies. Oh yeah, no, I'm not going over that bit. Well, let's see what this chap does. Wow, I was not expecting that. I guess you can walk it with a guideline. Let's see. Oh, this goes along on this trail here. Alright, so he has to cross over. You've got to get to me. I think you just carry it. Take your shoes off. Easy for me to say, right? I'm not the one. Ooh, where does this all go? I see. Then there's another way across there, and this looks like it goes somewhere. Let's have a look here. Where does this go? I have no idea. Wow. This is truly an adventure. I can see some greenhouses or something up there. This obviously goes along. I just wonder where it comes out. I'm keen to know. Bit so far is all drivable in four-wheel drive. Oh, here we go. This, I suspect, comes out to the road somewhere. Wow. I'm glad I've got the GPS running, because at this point I have no idea where I am. And here's the road, and then this must come out somewhere, folks, so we're going to go see. Oof. Yeah, that's steep. Keep it in my bottom gear. And this comes out to these greenhouses and this farm. Alright, I'm going to turn back. Whew. I'll GPS it and then see where I got to. Fascinating. I think I have to go across the stream where that biker was, so I'll save that for another day, and then I can record that piece for you. I think we're going to do some construction down here. Okay, I'll switch off for a bit. Oh, that's a good view of just how wide the stream is. You can see why they built mills down here as well. It's perfect. And here we are again, back to the crossing point. No motorized vehicles. Okay, wow, that is a challenge. Yeah, I definitely want to come down here with my sandals on, so I don't mind getting wet to get across that piece. All right, well, we'll head on back. Well, now we're headed back up towards the road again. I have no idea how far I went. Oh, here's the stream. Great. Fish. Oh, that was easy. Far easier than the main branch of the creek. Okay, here we go. Back to the entertainment again. Can I get over these bridges the other way around? What do you think, folks? Yes. Okay. Up. Gotcha. Down. Okay. And then this one is an interesting challenge. Go for it. Yes. Okay, I'm getting a lot more confident in this bike's ability. It's got more ability than I have. Ooh, this one's a challenge. Up and then down. Good job. And now this one. I think I've screwed up. Oh, no, I haven't. Wow. I'm impressed. This thing's ability to cross obstacles is more than I thought it was. Okay. All right. Back to the steady stuff. All right. Now back to this piece. Of course, now I know it's what's here. I can really open this up. Get some speed going. That's more fun. All right. Let's not be too gung-ho though. And yeah, stay off the knobbly stuff. All right, I think I'm coming back up to the main road. Okay, here we are, back to the main road. So that really is, that's all, folks. Next, back on terra firma to the house. See you all on the next one.